Hi guys, it's Game Day 25. I'll be an unusual unboxing of a Defy um, microwave. I thought maybe you guys would like to see it. I know a lot of people they buy this kind of microwaves and so on. It's nothing fancy or so. It's just like some average 2-liter microwave oven. Yeah, so the type of microwave, what it is, it's a Defy one, dm0367, 20 liters microwave. I don't know why they said 20 liters, but yeah. Let me show you how it looks. I must still unbox it and get something to cut it. So yeah. Like I said, here's the microwave, Defy. I did put a page over the barcode and the information of the thing, so you guys will see that there's one page right over. But this is the box of it. Nothing fancy about it. Defy. And a couple of knobs we get. If you go around here on this side, there's more information on that for those people who know what this is for. That 9, some 2 arrows and glass. Other side of the box, same story. Tell you the name of the code of the microwave, and Defy name there. And if you go around here, just zoom out. Okay. We go down here. They tell you some fancy cooking. You can roast your 20-liter chicken, but I think you can just warm it up. So yeah, so there's that 30-minute timer. And you can move that around. So on top, that is what you get on top. So yeah, so I'll get this thing open. No fancy knife, this one. Here we go. It's kind of difficult unboxing a box. Yeah. And keeping the camera in one hand. Sound like I'm cutting the box, but yeah. Yeah, I'm cutting the box. So let's see what we got here. Oops. And like I crack that. When you're doing stuff with one hand and unboxing it. Okay. So there's some warning. Let's see. Warning: microwave energy, don't do not remove this cover. So I guess it's the white. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna have to pause this video and then I can show you guys the video, the thing. So just hold on. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is the white one. You get a gray one in it. So yeah, so as you can see, and kind of loud. More stickers, some vents on top, some vents on the side, as you can see there. Let me go to the back. Okay. They give you some information, like I said, barcode and a cable. The cable is not that long, but this is like in some parts of the UAE, not the UAE, in the UK, some plugs, UK plugs. I know in America they all have that other ones, but yeah. So I'm sweating. Some don't do's and do's. Some more vents on this side and nothing on this side. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Oh, so there is the focus camera. There is that low defrost, M low, and high, M high, and yeah, timer, and then this is the button. So oh, okay, cut out. And some fancy as you guys can see, that's the inside. It's not as big as it looks, but yeah, you get some manual, and obviously as you can see you get the gloss. That's all what you get. But if you guys liked my video, remember to give me a like, a thumbs up, a comment, and yeah, there's the normal two latches. This look like a light or so, I don't know. maybe there's the light, I don't know. And yeah, so if you guys like this video, if you didn't know about this microwave or not sure about buying it, I'll be using this microwave for some time. And yeah, I know this has nothing to do with my channel, but someone out there would like to buy a Defy dm0367 20-liter microwave oven from Defy, and they'll watch this video and they have some idea on how it is. So there's no mirror finish to it, it's just like normal black with dots. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's like some dots there. So yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, enjoy your day. Don't let anyone bring you down, and always try and stay positive. Cheers guys.